This is a certified pre-owned 2011 Toyota 4Runner. This SUV has a 5-speed automatic transmission, a 4.0-liter V6, and the added capability of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, a rear-view camera, keyless ignition, a sunroof, a double wishbone independent front suspension, a locking center differential, traction control and stability control systems, hill start assist, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: an iPod-ready stereo system so you can take your music with you, XM satellite radio, aluminum wheels, roof rails, leather seats, side impact airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, rear seat child-proof door locks, dual power seats, and this vehicle has less than 28,000 miles. Toyota's certification includes a 160-point inspection and an extensive reconditioning process, plus a 12-month, 12,000-mile comprehensive warranty and a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Don McGill Toyota of Katy is located at 2155 Katy Freeway in Katy. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.